back to the channel. Hey y'all, today I'm headed over to the other side of our property because we're trying to set up shop over here. We got a carport, so I'm walking over here. We're gonna try to close it in, put some concrete down, and build a shop because I need a spot to work in. Tired of working outside on the dirt. So there's gonna be a couple of, I guess, clips, episodes, or whatever. So show y'all what we're working with over here on this side of the property. We over here cleaning up today, getting it ready. Y'all see that little carport thing there? We're just gonna close it in, put some concrete on the floor, on the dirt, and we just out here cleaning it up over here. We got a lot of work to do. All that grass, we gotta cut all that grass over there, y'all. And then we gotta move our boat from over here under this to over there. Gotta cut a few trees, a couple of them. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for the process. All right, y'all, so far this is what we got. We can cut this grass, my husband cut that. He just cut a little tree down, like right here. And then we got those pine trees over there and there, because we're gonna put that boat up under that one over there. We gotta put a roof on it though. We're just gonna put a little tarp on it for now. Then we gotta move this little stuff out the way. We're gonna put it on the trailer over there. And then see, this is a 20 by 20, y'all. So we're gonna move all this stuff out of here.
That's a 30 and 30.
And put the concrete down in it, and then close it in on the side. We already got this sheet metal for the sides to close it in. That's gonna be a little storage area over there. We got a lot of stuff in there already. We gotta haul a lot of stuff out, but yeah, we're gonna put the boat right here, y'all. Then we gotta cut these trees down so we can let it go in now. A lot of other stuff over there, but so far, got this grass cut. Yeah, yes, sir. Ski. Look at the kitties. Hey, kitties. Y'all ready to do some work too? Or y'all ready to eat? They probably ready to eat. And the other thing is, we just stacking all the trees up right here, and my son, he gonna pull them over there, drag them behind the little go-kart, a dune buggy, whatever you call that thing. And he gonna drag it up there to the burn pile. Y'all can't see that. You might see that smoke coming up there. But yeah, oh, he about to come down, y'all. All right, so far, y'all can see it better over there now. I still gotta cut this little stuff. And we got all this junk that we done loaded up on there. But now, it's clear enough for us to get the boat out of here and put it over there. I got a little bit more stuff I gotta get, like with the weed eater and that crap over there. But y'all stay tuned now. Stay tuned on the channel now for this shop bill or shed bill. Alright guys, we about to pull the boat out now. We got this, we hooking this up. This old bass boat. We got a hook over there. What's wrong with it?
I might sit on this one. I ain't seen it in that one. And the thing said 2 weeks. That's what I went on.
You got your thing right though. You might need to turn it around. So y'all, let me show y'all how we did the. Our tarp wasn't actually big enough. All that junk. Our tarp wasn't actually big enough, but hey, we put it on there. This like a temporary setup. As y'all can see, temporary setup. We just wanted to cover the boat a little bit, and we actually gonna put some sheet metal on top for the roof when we get a chance to do it. Our main thing today was just trying to get it cleaned up so we can move stuff around, which we have done. Hold on, babe. Hold on, can you move this thing here? He about to roll over that. Just slide it over this way. Just slide it over. That tire a little flat on it. Can you get it? Come on over out before you can. Come over some more, King, because I don't want it. Okay, babe, you can go. Oh, you gonna have to get straight. Come on up through there.
The boat look good with that truck.
You're not about to get in the boat. I'm trying to put the boat over
I
there.
can't wait until this boat get in the water too.
Let's go him. Let's go him. I hope it's going. I know it's wide enough for the boat to go through there. So this will be a nice little setup over here, y'all. We gotta level the ground. Well, actually, we're gonna move this whole thing out of the way. We're gonna get some wheels to lift it up. Probably put like I think 3 on there. I mean 6 on there. 3 on this side, 3 on that side. Then we're gonna move it over that way so they can put the concrete in. But yeah. Are you going in? We got the chainsaw. In the back of the boat. Come on, boss. Come on. Straighten it out. Keep going. Come straight back, babe. Watch out, son. Let me go to the back. Come on. All right. We are putting out new carpet in this boat and everything. We just been letting it sit. So watch out, baby.
Be quiet.
So I know it's gonna get wet right here. Cause look, yeah.
Yeah, I need
The tarp wasn't big enough, but
this is spot so I put some tin on the roof.
you driving? Yeah. I'm sure.
We gotta put this boat back out in the water, y'all. Last time we had it in the water, 2024. Y'all see the stickers on it? Yeah.
I was just telling them we put all that new carpet in there and we just let it sit
we got a
up.
shot back of that now.
What is this?
How I do though?
You think? Oh yeah, you got it in that first time, baby.
Third time.
What is this?
Trash.
They got it.
Hey, get out, y'all. Put them up on the boat. It's lifting that truck bed up. Oh, she dropped down there.
Hell, I ain't even feel it boat on here, to tell you the truth.
I thought you was gonna hit this hole right here,
Oh,
but
no.
you went right under there while like, come on back.
All right. She moved.
How long is this boat?
Hell, it's gotta be longer than the tent. I mean, the thing.
Nah, you ain't all the way back. We still got some room back there, but remember I didn't want to go all the way back because we didn't have that. It went over this lip up here.
Oh, I found keys.
Oh, yeah, come on. It look like waltz in there. Put that stuff down. Come on.
Mom, this fish oil can still be fixed.
Yeah. Now we in now.
The tripod is over there, just over there, not recording nothing. Huh?
Oh, you trying to throw a shot? Okay.
I saw something moving. It will walk.
Yeah, but that lawnmower, y'all, she did what she need to do today. I mean, we ain't finished 100%, but we got a lot knocked out today, and I'm so excited about that. So we gotta haul this to the burn pile in a minute. With the little. What y'all gonna tell them? Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe.
All right, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to this video. Y'all stay tuned to see the rest of this project. The rest of this, it's not the rest of this project that we're doing with this shop/shed. Cause I'm ready to get some work put in. Drive straight up in now. Y'all just stay tuned.